Dear students, today I am going to teach you the prominent leader of assertive nationalist. First name is their very popular name. I think all my students are very much familiar about Bal Gangadhar Tilak. His one statement is there that is very important. Statement is there: Swaraj is my birthright, I shall have it. Swaraj is my birthright, I shall have it, stated by Bal Gangadhar Tilak, and this line is very important line. So today I'll teach you a very brief introduction about Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Tilak is known as father of assertive nationalist. This is also very important question. He played a leading role in popularizing the cult of patriotism and making the Congress moments broad based means how many people were participated in the International Congress. So their base was enlarged by Tilak. Means more people taken membership of International Congress, and credit goes to assertive nationalist also. Tilak was born in Maharashtra. After taking his degree as a law, he founded the Pune New English School. Pune New English School. Who founded? Your answer will be there. Tilak. The Deccan Education Society was founded by him under the Justice Ranade guidance in 1884. Two institutions. First one is school, Pune New English School, and second one, Deccan Education Society, was also founded by Tilak with guidance of M.G. Ranade. M.G. Ranade is very popular leader, intellectual, and retired judge from Maharashtra. So he given guideline to Tilak, and finally Tilak set up Deccan Education Society. Gokhale and Tilak were its member. The society set up many educational institutions, including the famous Ferguson College at Pune. So I think you know three institutions. You know this one. First one, Pune New English School. Second one, Deccan Education Society, and Deccan Education Society established Ferguson College of Pune. So these points are brief introduction, and some his contribution regarding national movement I would like to explain one by one. Demand for Swaraj. Tilak was the first to openly declare the demand for Swaraj. Swaraj is my birthright, I shall have it. Tilak was convinced the political rights could be achieved by aggressively demanded them. His entry in the national political scene was marked by a shift from petition to demand for political rights, meaning assertive nationalist given petition, memorandum, but when Tilak era came, after that the scenario has been changed. Means he believes that by struggle we can get anything, by demanding, by begging one we can't get anything. He was the first nationalist leader who sought close contact with the masses with this objective and inculcate courage, self-defense and patriotism. He organized many akharas and lathi clubs where physically training was imparted. This is very easy. Preached nationalism. Second point is there. In 1893, Tilak started using the traditional religious Ganpati festival to propagate the national ideas through song and speeches. In 1895, he glorified the Shivaji and started Shivaji festival to encourage young Maharashtrian. He started two newspapers, Maratha and Kesari, while soon became his mouthpiece of his idea. Through these newspapers, he preached nationalism and taught the people to be courageous and self-reliant. He wrote two well-known books. Underline this one. 2 newspaper published by Tilak, Maratha and Kesari. Maratha was in English and Kesari was in Marathi. Very, very clear. 2 main books he has written, Gita Rahas and Arctic Home of Vedas. This important point I am talking. 2 newspaper many time asked. And 2 books he has written, the Gita Rahas and Arctic Home of Vedas. So these important points are there. And I have one more point I have taught you. कि 2 festival he propagated 2 festival. He, and because he wanted to boost up nationalism amongst the Marathi people, so Ganpati Mahotsav and Shivaji festival, okay, organized by celebrated by Tilak to boost up the nationalism in Marathi people. Now, established Home Rule League. Tilak set up the Home Rule League in Pune in 1916 to attain self-government within the British Empire by constitutional means. Try to understand this one. Very controversial question is there. Swaraj. Swaraj means self-rule. Means not freedom. Means he did not demand that you Britishers, you leave India and give me complete freedom. No. This is not answer. Answer is there. Swaraj meaning is there. British government will be here, but Swaraj should be granted by British government to India. Which type of Swaraj? That Swaraj existed in Ireland, that Swaraj was existed in Canada, that Swaraj was existed in Australia. So that type of Swaraj he demanded. So he wanted Swaraj, self-rule, self-government within the British Empire. And now, precursor of the Gandhiji. This question, how does Tilak is known as precursor of the Gandhiji? This one I am going to teach you in very brief. Tilak was the forerunner of the Mahatma Gandhi, or we can say torch bearer of the Mahatma Gandhi, because we later you see this one, which policy adopted by Tilak, same policy adopted by, same method adopted by Mahatma Gandhiji. Tilak idea Swaraj was akin to Mahatma Gandhi's ideas, complete independence. Second, Tilak sought close contact with the masses as the Mahatma Gandhi did. Third, the Tilak preached the idea of the Swadeshi boycott and prohibition. These ideas were preached and followed by Mahatma Gandhiji later on. Fourth, Tilak had to suffer several terms of the imprisonment for the sake of the country. As example, followed Mahatma Gandhi and other national leaders. Tilak's selfless patriotism, strong determination and courage aroused the masses against the British and adopted the new chapter of the history of freedom struggle. So this one, by 4 reasons, means he was known as precursor of the Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, so Swadeshi and boycott he also popularized, and Gandhi also done this one. He also imprisoned by Britishers, and Gandhiji was also. So many points are there. Okay, means he had done earlier, and after that Gandhiji taken lesson from Tilak, and he was the leader of mass means maximum people, and Gandhiji was also. Now, so recap, I am going to start. Tilak first work is there. Tilak established Pune New English School. Second one, Deccan Education Society with the guidance of the M.G. Ranade. Third one, this Deccan Education Society is set up Ferguson College. And one very, very popular statement is there: Swaraj is my birthright, I shall have it. Okay, it's stated by Tilak very first time. And preached nationalism, and how to boost up nationalism. He started 2 festivals. He celebrated 2 festivals, Ganpati Mahotsav and Shivaji festival, very, very important. 2 newspaper also he spread, he published by newspaper. He wanted to create political awareness, political sensibility, political enlightenment amongst the people. So these contribution of the Tilak is very, very relevant. You should learn this one. And 2 books also he has written, Gita Rahasya and Arctic Home of Vedas. And Home Rule League also established by Tilak in Pune. Home Rule League means, just I have taught you, it's like Canada, Australia, Ireland within the British Empire, self-rule. And last point, I have also taught that how Tilak is known as forerunner of Mahatma Gandhi ji. So today only this much, dear student, and next day I'll come with another topic, and two more assertive nationalist leaders are there. About them I'll teach you. Thank you.